So, Shivansh, are you excited?
I am fucking excited. This is going to be a start of something legendary. So, of course, let's go.
With you, absolutely. I honestly feel the same. I have so many questions in my mind,
Uh-huh.
and finally getting a chance to get all of them answered. चलो यार, सब शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. So the first thing that I want to understand is that how would you define yourself?
How would I
Tricky
define
one.
myself? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think a person can be defined by the purpose of what they want to achieve. And my purpose is, I feel people are not alive. People have not felt the real meaning of what it is when they're alive. The rush, that whatever you're doing you're such a flow state. Most of the people are doing what? 4 घंटे दिन के active productive hours देते हैं, nothing more than that. And there are so many things that people haven't. Okay, I'll tell you this, Arushi. Have you ever ran down a hill? Matlab, literally a steep hill
Yeah,
wherein you're
yeah.
running down. When if you trip off, then you'll die.
I have.
Imagine that kind of a rush. Imagine a rush wherein you're working and you're feeling it in your bones that it's been more than 6, 7, 8 hours, and you don't even recall कि 6, 7, 8 घंटे कहाँ गए. So I feel that's my purpose. I want people to experience this shit. I want people to be alive. हाँ यार, और सिर्फ मर के मत जियो. Every day is a fucking opportunity. Seize that.
So you like exploring new things, you like experimenting, anything that can get you the rush. If I'm not wrong.
In a way, yes. Yeah, I thrive on rush. Matlab, I can't do boring jobs. People say they don't like to work. They're an entrepreneur. They don't like to do jobs. I don't think that's the case. I think the case is no one likes boring stuff.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
I want to understand something. If you were not running a business, what job would you have picked? Because you have told this to me before as well, that you can totally do a job if you love it. So what is that job role that you can fill?
Yeah, anything where I'm doing something super exciting for let's say me, it's about speaking to people. I am someone who's a showman. So let's say an ideal position for someone like me is chief networking officer. My job is to be out there in the world, a public speaker. पूरे दिन मेरे हाथ में माइक पकड़ा के लाखों लोग मेरे आगे रखो. That is something I can do day in day out. And no one can
Very
beat me at
interesting.
that because I am looking at that as a play. For a lot of people, that's a work. कितना भी head start हो उनसे, मैं खा जाऊंगा उसकी नौकरी.
So you are saying you have the edge because it feels like play to you, right? अच्छा, ये मुझे थोड़ा सा पैशन के बारे में समझ. पैशन कितना ओवररेटेड है, कितना थ्रो अराउंड है, पैशन कब मिलता है लाइफ में, थोड़ा सा ये समझ. क्योंकि अच्छा, so when you started, how was it like? Like, did you know that you were passionate about these things, or you were just passionate about talking to people? What role does passion play?
यार मेरे हिसाब से पैशन वो चिड़ी है जो अगर आप एक कॉलेज के बच्चे हो तो और पकड़ने की कोशिश भी नहीं करनी चाहिए. It's very simple. What you should chase is curiosity. Over the years, when you're hustling on your curiosity, when you are hustling, even when there are no returns, when you're hustling when no one is with you, you're hustling even when you're low, that is when the real passion comes in. Passion does not wait for opportunity. कहाँ कितनी बड़ी game है ये? Passion is, I am obsessed with that shit. So figure out what you're obsessed with. And the only way you can do that is you chase your curiosity. You might be curious about 4 things. Go and fucking do that job and see कि कब तक कितने समय तक बिना बोर हुए कर सकते. And see when you do that.
Taking multiple bets. Continue.
I'll come on taking multiple bets, but the first part is to chase that curiosity, build that into obsession, and then that will turn in passion over the time. Wherein if nothing's working out, still you're doing that. That's one. The second aspect of it, are you really getting energized by doing it? So let's say if I get to speak, so let's say I can speak for straight, 72 hours? 86 hours? I don't know. I can do that straight and I will still feel energized. You meet me someday wherein let's say I'm drinking for 3 days, I have zero capacity, my eyes are shutting down, and you spark a good conversation and you'll see the energy getting back in like this. Now, I feel that is the true passion. बाकी सब बकवास और खेल कूद है. And when it talks about taking multiple bets, that's what the life is about, bhai. You have to explore yourself. You can't say, hey, I know what I want to do. I've lived in a box, but I still know how this world operates. सैम ऑल्टमैन को नहीं पता है, एलोन मस्क को नहीं पता है कल क्या होने वाला है. तुम्हें कैसे पता है कि मैं यही हूं और मुझे ये चाहिए?
That the other day we were discussing about whether one should go from clarity to action or whether one should go from action to clarity. ये मैंने कहा कि यार usually मेरे साथ रहता है, I might start from clarity and then move towards action, but you have started out very opposite. यार बिना क्लैरिटी के कैसे लें एक्शन? बिकॉज़ मल्टीपल बेट्स लेने किसी चीज़ को क्यूरियसली परस्यू करने के लिए कुछ तो क्लैरिटी हो।
What do you have to lose?
I don't think there's anything to lose. Nothing.
Then why do you need clarity? Always the easiest pattern is evaluate the best and the worst case scenario. Today you're sitting down, you have so many things, you don't know what to do. Do
हुँ,
something ना, मतलब क्लैरिटी नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़, कर लेते हैं, करके शायद थोड़ा सा आइडिया मिलेगा, उससे क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी. I think I was listening to the other day I was listening to, what's this biggest crypto exchange? What's the name of that? What's the biggest crypto exchange US company? I'm forgetting the name. Anyways, this guy, multi-billion dollar founder, and he's like, there were so
yeah,
many times that I had no clue what I'm going to do next. And the only thing that you can do is keep doing something. Something would turn up. There would be such days as a founder wherein you would have zero fucking idea where is this going. What's going to happen 6 months down the line?
हुँ,
Right now, you can't think about that because you have your employees, you have your stakeholders, you have your investors, you have your board, you have your vendors. You can't tell them, hey, I don't know what's
yeah.
going to happen 6 months down the line. You got to keep doing something. Something would turn. That's how the world works.
You know, Naval says this, that you should pick the work which feels like play to you, and you
Mm-hmm.
just sort of said something very similar.
Mm-hmm.
अब यार ये प्ले वाला अगेन, आई मीन आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट देयर. यू सेड यू शुड ट्राई मल्टीपल थिंग्स, एक्सप्लोर योर क्यूरियोसिटी. आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीज़ों में क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप होती है, बट देन यू आल्सो लूज़ इट ओवर द टाइम,
Mm-hmm.
इज़न्ट इट?
Yeah.
सो शुड वी रन आफ्टर दैट डिसिप्लिन की शुरू करा है तो उसको खत्म करना है? बिकॉज़ आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा एक, आई वुड से पीपल थिंक इन दैट वे, यार एक किताब शुरू की है तो खत्म करना है. व्हाई कांट वी जस्ट लीव थिंग्स इनकंप्लीट?
You spoke of novel. Novel says that why the fuck would you want to read the entire book? Read multiple books. Read what is relevant to you. I have a
Yeah,
500 book library. Pick any book and you would find
yeah.
40% of the similar things in the other books. If you've read enough things, it does not make sense for you to cram through everything just to finish for the sake of it. कि मेरे को एक ठप्पा जी देखो मैंने ये किताब पूरी. Similarly, for
हुँ,
curiosity, try something. While doing that, get into different rabbit holes. Let's say you're doing something. आपने शुरू किया, वो करते करते you got multiple things in front of yourself, and you might take a different part, get into a different rabbit hole. The only problem comes in when you say
हुँ,
that, okay, I have to live by the conformity of standards built by the society. Within these many years, I have to be this much successful, and there is a monetary status to it. Rather than saying that what is the ideal life that I can create, what is the realistic timeline or a comfort that I've been created by myself or because of my parents that I can build for myself. Let's say every young college person would come to me and they'd be like, I have so many responsibilities. I used to be the same person. But if you look at it
हुँ,
realistically, you don't have those responsibilities. You're just cooking them in your head. You know for a fact that next 3, 4, 5 years, you can survive on, let's say, 10, 15, 20K a month. You do not need to urgently contribute to your parents, which means you have
yes.
this as an opportunity that realistically 5 years down the line, you have to be ready, not today. If you can get that path sooner, get that goal sooner, that's good. But otherwise, use this runway to build something longer rather than trying to do something. पैसे ही कमाना है, 30,000 रुपए कॉल सेंटर देता है, एनी डे लगवा दूंगा. That's the difference between job and a career.
Very
So
interesting.
get into rabbit holes, and especially when the world is changing so much.
Let's say pick one interest and try getting deep into that.
Yeah. You get into it, you'll find 10 more things, find something. एक
Hmm.
खोलोगे 4 चीजें, it's like a mind map. 4 चीजें, उसमें से कुछ और खोलोगे, फिर
हाँ.
4 चीजें. करो कंज्यूम, काम करो, लोगों से बातें करो, सीखो.
बहुत सारे, like for many people it's a challenge to go upfront to people, network. Tell me some easiest ways I can build a network at this pace.
Yeah, the easiest way is, see, people love ego massage. When if someone is in their 30s or 40s and they see a young 20-year-old, they would
Hmm.
either feel that I was like this, or they would feel that this person is better than who I was, or I wish I would have been this
Hmm.
talented when I was this young. Those are the either two things they would think of. Second, a lot of people do not have the guts to go and meet people. Again, that's a good thing. That's a beautiful thing. People would always be like that. आप कितना भी सिखा दो. Everyone knows we should go to gym.
Hmm.
Does everyone go to gym? No. But it simply means that I've always believed that if the society is dumbstruck, if the society is living in a matrix, if society is doing all the things that you should not do as a human being for your own self, but you would still do that because you're stuck in that matrix, then all it takes is a change of 1 degree. अब सब लोग एक सीधी लाइन में जा रहे हैं. Imagine if you take 1 degree turn and you consistently keep walking, 5 years, 10 years down the line, you will be so much distant than them. तो आपको कुछ खास करना ही नहीं. आपको थोड़ा सा दुनिया के नजरिए से, you're already different. So
Hmm.
see this as an opportunity. Go to people, tell them simply that, hey, can I learn something from you? Hey, I'm a young college grad. This is what I used to do. Literally reach out to people like, hey, can I learn something from you? Hey, I'm a young college grad. Can you teach me something? I think I told you about that story with Hindustan Times CEO, right?
You did. Can you just get me through that story once again?
This was an event. I think this was 7, 8 years ago. Yeah, 8 years ago, I guess. This was ET Global Summit. I think an average
Yeah.
ticket of what 85,000 rupees happening in Taj Dhola Kuan, Taj Diplomatic. I went there. I remember there was this friend of mine, Bibin Babu. That's his name, who was on the panel. I go there. I'm like, I'm here to meet Bibin, and I'm like, okay, so like must have been there must be a ticket for me, and they're like, no. I'm like, please check it thoroughly. You're missing out on something. Now, it is all about your aura, right? Somehow it works every time, right? Somehow I got an access to it. They were like, we cannot give you the access to main plenary, but we can give you the supporting access. I'm like, oh, fuck, that's good enough. All I had to do was, like, I'm going there for networking. I don't fucking care. I stepped there, there's a lawn, and this exactly happened with two people. One, this director of Facebook, and one, this ex-CEO of Hindustan Times. I go there, like, hi, what do you do? Like, this is me. Hi, what do you do? And imagine being a 60-year-old CEO of such a big MNC. They're like, who the fuck are you? वो अपने मन में ये
Yeah.
सोच रहा है, वो बैठा हुआ चिल कर तू है उसके दिमाग में. And he was a bit like, what do you want? What do you mean? And suddenly I was like, dude, see, I am only a young college grad. I am here assuming that anyone who's here has achieved something in life. आपके सफेद बाल दिख रहे हैं, आप यहाँ पे बैठे हो, आपके गले में स्पीकर का पट्टा है. There, that means you've accomplished
Hmm.
something. If you can share some wisdom, that'll be great. That one line suddenly changes the perspective because suddenly now they're like, fuck, I misjudged this young 20-year-old's intention. I should have been a better person. That is what he's thinking. And now, because he's thinking he should have been a better person, he's thinking about his karma. And now his conscience says that you should give this guy extra 30 minutes because you misjudged him. I got that time.
Ego massage.
Kind of, you can see
Guilt
that
trip.
egos, guilt trip. You can label it so many things, but at the end of the day, people like हर किसी को ज्ञान देना पसंद है. किसी को
हाँ.
अपनी बातें करनी है, हर किसी को ऐसा फील लेना है कि मैं किसी को कुछ सिखा. That is the truest purpose of any human being in the long run. You become interesting enough that they feel that okay, it'll be interesting to spend time with you.
Yes. This brings me to another question. So let's say you are very young, ambitious, want to do a lot many things. Now people say that your immediate circle should be of people who are killing it in life.
Mhm.
Now let's say I am a 20-year-old and I want to, be around people who are killing it. What would it take for me to get to those circles? Because again the question comes, why would they want to hang out with me?
Yeah, it's always, you have to understand that the circle would keep increasing. The more you kill, the more you'll keep finding people who are killing it out there. At, let's say, your age, it's wrong to say that, okay, there is no one else who's hustling this much. There
Okay.
would be people, they're also thinking the same thing. That's why they're also sitting in the room saying that, okay, I'll not step into the college because I don't see people like myself. When I went to college, I had the same feeling. I'll tell you exactly. You remember LLN? That's where I was coming from, right?
Yeah.
I stepped inside the
We
college.
we are not ending the conversation without LLN.
Okay, we will speak about that
Yeah.
perhaps. Let's see.
Mm,
But
Yeah.
I went to college. The first thing I did
Mhm.
was I wanted to have the best group. So I got a couple of guys who were from Delhi. Somehow I was like, दिल्ली के लौंडे पहले इकट्ठे करने हैं. 3 लड़के मैंने 4 का ग्रुप बन गए. अब मैंने कहा अब लड़कियां पकड़ेंगे. Like you think about such sort of planning, right? पहला आधा घंटा लड़के. अब जितनी लड़कियां सबसे. I literally spoke to every girl in the class. I curated 11 girls to be in our group. So now we're 11 people, 4 guys, 11 girls, and I was like 7 girls, and I was like, I want to have the best group on day 0 so that it can stay consistently. We started with this. 3, 4, 5 months down the line, I think something happened wherein someone was like, हुक्का पीने चलते हैं. I'm like, ये तो मैं 4 साल पहले छोड़ चुका हूँ. I'm like, I can't reinvent the wheel. Like, I want to enjoy the college life, but it does not mean I will reinvent the wheel. I will go to this path again, जो मैं 4 साल पहले छोड़ चुका हूँ. अब मैं वो दोबारा से कर. मैंने कहा तुम लोगों की बच्चे हो, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. So then I stepped out. I started looking at other people that where can I find my tribe. And the best thing, let's say Delhi University offers is a lot of competitions.
Okay. Yes.
I started going to competitions and suddenly I started gathering like-minded people. During the era of my college, there were around 6, 7 entrepreneurs who, let's say, wrote the history of Delhi University during that time, who had crazy successful businesses, who still have crazy successful businesses. I was one of them because we sort of found each other through these events, through these competitions, through various networkings. So it's always there. You'll always find your tribe. You gotta just keep looking, meeting new people, sharing interest, being yourself unapologetically. Someone would hate you, someone would love you. You should always be the person that no one can ignore you, especially in this world.
Like that line. I believe content is also a great way to find your tribe. Because why not? If you just saw someone who is speaking something very similar to
Yeah.
your mindset, you can just connect with them. I mean, we are talking, so that does make sense.
We already have the result in front of us. We already have the validation. And that's the easiest thing. It's all
Yes.
about, see, we love to connect with people who think like us. That's
Hmm.
all of us are chasing. We are always looking for shared interests. The easiest way
Yes.
is put that out.
Very interesting. Do networking events help? The so-called जिन पे tag लगा होता है, networking events. Do they help? Or they
And
are just bullshit?
see, think about it in terms of, again, everything in the world could be broken down into risk reward ratio. What's the
Hmm.
best case? What's the worst case? You go to a networking event, worst case,
Hmm.
you spend an hour or two. That does not yield anything. Best case, you find someone like yourself who is just like you, who just thought that, okay, today I'll give it a shot and see if someone can exist. Right?
Very interesting.
Now, if we try to look at the worst case is you didn't find someone interesting, but the worst case maybe you went to a place and you got an opportunity to throw some mock pitches. You got an opportunity to have 50 or 100 people in front of you that you can interact with, that you can stress
Hmm.
test what is a line. When someone says, how do you define yourself? You stress test 7 different lines. You see how does someone reacts? How can I make someone curious? What is something that I should speak of? The world is all about throwing in reps. So if you have to be a great networker, let's say, or a great public speaker, great relationship builder, you'll have to pass through thousands of people and build in a way that you've put in more reps than anyone else. So go to as many places as can, look for as many experiences as possible, meet as many new people as possible. You never know, people who you're meeting right now, imagine 5 years, 7 years, 10 years down the line, वो भी अगर इंसान जिंदगी में कुछ करे कहीं तो पहुंचेगा. मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि वो इंसान भी अपने घर का कंफर्ट छोड़ के एक सो कॉल्ड नेटवर्किंग इवेंट में आया है हिम्मत कर, जो 99% लोग आते ही नहीं है. तो कुछ प्री फिल्टर तो लगा हुआ है कि ये इंसान आया है किसी चीज की सीख में, इसको भूख है, इसको चुल है, ये 4 लोगों से मिल रहा है, कहीं तो पहुंचेगा ना. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर दी अर्ली, so I was there when the startup communities were getting formed in India, in Delhi NCR. Not exactly the first era of, let's say, unicorn founders, but उसके बाद जो एक deeper, एक हर किसी गली मोहल्लों में या अलग अलग ना स्टार्टअप कम्युनिटीज पॉप अप होने लग गई थी. All the people who I connected with back then, there was this group named Pushstart. I think in the last 2 years, I've met 20 people doing business with 7 of them who we saw that we interacted on a WhatsApp chat in 2015, 2016, 2017. Because I was in that group, I was curious. I used to text people, speak to people. And then when you look at 6 years down the line, and suddenly creates that relationship. Fuck, हम 6 साल पहले बात कर रहे थे. Suddenly proves that legitimacy कि यार ये इंसान भी मेरी तरह उतनी हासिल करके आया है. It builds that connection for people to pay up instantly. When I say we're working with 7 people, we'll be making, I would have made at least 25-30 lakh rupees with such people. 30 lakh रुपए कोई छोटा नंबर नहीं यार. Good enough number है. And
Absolutely.
this is just the start. This is just something that I've met people अब, और ये और आगे build करेंगे भाई यहाँ से. वो भी build करेंगे, मैं भी build करूंगा.
One thing that I understood from this conversation is that we also need to learn to verify everything for ourselves, right? There are a lot of standards laid out there, but I don't think everything should be believed in.
Yeah, one of the biggest things that I learned during my spiritual break of a year, the core learning
Okay.
was question every belief system that you have. Anything and everything that has been said to you, everything and everything that you believe in, you gotta fucking take a pause and ask why. I believe Congress is good, BJP is bad. Why? I believe Modi ji is best. Why? I believe Dharti is goal. Why? I believe in any and everything. I need to ask why and where is it coming from? I believe marriage as an institution is wrong. क्यों आ रहा है ये? क्या मैंने बचपन में अपने मॉम डैड को लड़ते हुए देखा है, ये वहां से आ रहा है? Where has this believing built from? Because it was not your belief, it was your conditioning. It was your surroundings. You have not built any belief by your own. You believe, मतलब ये सब कुछ ना चलते फिरते एक्वायर हो गया है, कहाँ से आ गया है पता नहीं. आप चल रहे हो, आपके हाथ में मिट्टी लग गई, आप चल रहे हो, आपके हाथ में पानी लग गया, whatever, ये stack हो गया. And you take a pause, and when you say what is me and what is not, so when you shed everything off, and then you say, okay, now let's look at what all do I want to believe in, and start that from zero. When you do that, now you're never swayed by emotions. You never get into unnecessary fights that are not yours. And you are really convicted. You can never lose a debate in that sense because you are coming from a very zero standpoint and you're still ready to be fluid. You're still ready to say that, okay, if I find someone who can take me to another level or who can help me switch sides, if it's a black and white argument, I'll be open to it. So think of it in the sense, first, आपने कहा, let's say आपको किसी subject matter के बारे में why तक पता है. ठीक है, एक नंबर लाइन पे अगर वी इमेजिन दिस, आई से दैट यू रिमूव दिस, यू गो टू जीरो, ठीक है, you're not swayed in any direction, you do not know anything, put everything on the table, start questioning, start seeing, and then say what all do I want to pick. So let's say I pick earth is round, let's say that's a new y, x was earth is flat, ठीक है, तो दुनिया एक समय तक एक पॉइंट तक सोच रही थी, अब उसके आगे हम सब लोग आ गए हैं. Now either I can keep arguing this is it, but if I meet a scientist who would say that okay, I can prove that this is not like that, either I can say you're stupid, or I can say this has happened before. What is the evidence? Let's see. I might learn something. So I am saying that I've taken a pause at why. This is perhaps more than what people know. So let's say it could be in a situation जहाँ पे लोग X तक जानते हैं किसी चीज की, मैंने Y तक रिसर्च करा है, because I know most of the people would not have that. You imagine the other day when we were having that discussion about Delhi CM.
Yes.
I didn't know if you would have reports or not. ठीक है, but I knew if I say that in that confidence, you'll have to respond with a yes or no, and 99% you will not have that. Now, if imagine if there is a crowd full of people who are watching that, my job is to just win that debate in a way कि अच्छा अगर मेरे को crowd जीतना है तो वो कह रहा है कि अच्छा यार सामने वाले के पास तो डेटा ही नहीं है, इसके पास डेटा है, अच्छा मेरे पास भी नहीं है. But I've said that with that conviction कि वो हो गया, तो मैं पर्सनली इतना डेटा लेके रखता हूँ that I know a little bit more than people. And I've settled here and I'm ready to learn more if someone is able to take me to that.
Very interesting. I also remember when we were playing Sequence. You just said that you don't lose these board games or any game just because you know that the other person will make one silly mistake and that is exactly where you win,
Yeah.
right?
The other day I
Wow.
was playing sequence. I think the same day I was playing sequence with Anjul, and I was
Yeah.
like, dude, I don't like to cheat in games, but I wish I didn't have those morals. और I wish कि कोई मेरे को ऐसा मिल जाए जो चीटिंग कहे कि लीगली करते हैं. It is allowed because again that's a lever for me. And she was like, how would you do cheating here? And there's so many ways, darling. You can't even understand that you will not even see me doing. मैं कब 6 को 9 में, कब hearts को diamond में, कब मैं game खेल रहा हूँ, you won't even realize. And I know when you do it, I will catch it because I'm very sharp at it. So know your strengths, know what you're good at, create those circumstances. I would never play, मतलब if I have an option, I would always play poker instead of तीन पत्ती because I know कि उसमें दिमाग ज्यादा लगना है. जिस भी चीज में दिमाग ज्यादा लगना है, I have an unfair advantage.
Wow. This is due to multiple reps because you have done it so many times.
No, no, it's purely the game is built in a way that the proportion of luck versus the proportion of brain. The proportion of luck is much more in Teepati. Now, the refs could be a lot, but at the end of the day, I don't want to play a game wherein the proportion of luck is higher. Let's say, relatively, I would any day play games wherein the proportion of skill is much more than luck. Game of skill or game of chance.
Huh.
So I'd any day play those games because I know I'm a smart person and
Hmm.
I can capitalize upon it. Why not?
Amazing. So, just to wrap this discussion up, please guide me through. Okay, so for those who don't know, for a very long time, Shivansh has sweared by this framework called the LLN framework. Please, sir.
Yeah, it's not a framework. It was a reality of my school life. I think a lot of people experience that kind of school life. Perhaps not everyone. A lot of people want to perhaps do that. So I say that as ladki ladai nasha, which simply meant that I was amongst a lot of girls while growing up, and it was a beautiful experience. It got me to learn a lot about the opposite gender in a way that I am certain that I don't think men understand women or women understand men, but because I was in so many women out there, I understand them to in a nth level that helps me navigating the life even today, be it with clientele or stakeholders or my wife or whatever. The
Very interesting.
second thing was ladai fights somehow because I was the best friend. So of course the boyfriends had a problem with me. It also now what it showed me, I still remember my first. I think I was 3 months into this school, and there was this Jat lad, right? And being a normal baniya coming from a normal school, मेरी तो फट ली. उस इंसान ने कहा और हुआ क्या, सो छुट्टी के टाइम पे ही वाज लाइक आई वाज वॉकिंग विद अ फ्रेंड एंड ही वाज लाइक भाई कैन यू गिव 2 minutes और व्हाटएवर, एंड वी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग एंड सडनली हम बसेस के आसपास घूम रहे थे, दो बसेस के बीच में वो मेरे को धक्का दे के ले जाता है एंड ही इज होल्डिंग मी लाइक दिस एंड लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, आई हैव नेवर बीन इन दिस सिचुएशन एंड सडनली दिस गाय हु वाज वॉकिंग विद मी 1 मिनट बाद देखता है एंड ही कम्स रनिंग, उसको धक्का देता और कहता है हाथ मत लगा दियो. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई लर्नड प्रो कोड एंड आई लिव्ड बाय इट. लाइक I don't think there would be other people who have lived by the pro code the way I've did. And that's through I learned who's with me. There have been people always standing with me. जबरदस्ती मैं कह रहा हूँ लड़ाई नहीं करनी, कह रहे नहीं हम मारेंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने तुमसे बहस करी है. तो that has been really good. I've forged some very good friendships, and I realized that as a man, it's good. It's an animal instinct. It's always good to be in such kind of some rough situations so that you're prepared for future. That was a good thing. And then नशा, इसको कैसे बोलूँ अब मैं? मैंने बाकी दो चीजें तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बोला. I think
You are on the spot, so please.
influence, you should not give your own control to an influence in any state. That's not ideally good, and a lot of people live by that philosophy. I love that. For me, it has been about experimenting or trying every new thing, having that feeling of rush. Is that right? Is that wrong? I don't know. If I look back, if let's say I have a son who's doing all those things when he was in, let's say, 7th, 8th, 9th class, I would fucking snap the shit out of them. Smack that ass, what not? But I think it also, as I said, if I would have not done that, I would have eventually done that in college and I would have wasted my college life. People do that at some point of time. And I always say that if you try those things for the first time ever at 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, whatever, then you would fall in a big trap. Because आप बचपन में कैजुअली करके बाहर निकल सकते थे. अब अगर आपने इतने सालों तक नहीं किया और अब आपने अपने आप को तोड़ा है. And I think I have met rarely, I meet so many people. I've rarely met someone जिसने कभी वो तोड़ा ना हो. I've met people जिन्होंने 30, 35, 40 तक नहीं किया बट कर दिया. So staying like that forever would be very difficult. You'd someday give into it for some XYZ reason. There would be some low point of your life wherein you'd say, "Fuck it, what's the point to have these usul?" और वहां से सिर्फ डाउनफॉल है कहीं. वहां पे कोई नहीं बचा सकता. तो हाँ, it was a good thing that I
So
did those things.
are we indirectly recommending kids to start early?
I am just saying that live a life the way you want. Be thoughtful
Yeah.
of what you want to achieve. Be thoughtful of your own capabilities. An ideal person does not have any limitations. All the limitations that I've been told, as you say, right? कि NASA में वो poster लगा हुआ है कि it's good that Bumblebee does not know that it cannot fly. That you are just making restrictions on your mind. You can do things, you can come out of them. आपको addict बनने की have a basic fucking control on your life. Addiction किसी भी चीज का खराब है. That's all I'm saying.
Amazing. All right. I think it was a good session for today. I have a lot of follow-up questions, but I'll save them for later. So
Awesome.
thank you so much for joining in.
Good conversation. Let's go.
Okay.